Was cracking, gang. So right now I'm in a trade, gold trade, that I did take early in the morning. Now I waited overnight just to catch this gold position. I'm talking about gold futures, and I'm using Finance link in the description box. Now, one thing about this futures thing is you're not supposed to hold your trades overnight or even throughout the weekend, right? So that's why I just decided to wait overnight just to catch the move early in the morning, so that I can hold the trade throughout the day and close before uh, the market closes, that is. So right now I think I'm currently in a $10 drawdown, because some minutes ago I was like I think $30 up. And let me just show you how the trade is playing out real quick. You guys I hope you guys can see that right there. I'm down $15. My anticipation is maybe throughout the day, I don't know if she might hold or hit that level, but I believe maybe she might close at the end of the day, I believe right here. But if she decides to consolidate throughout the day, that means I'm just going to close at a loss, because rules are rules, because I can't hold my trades throughout the weekend, that is right. And I believe, since I don't have anything to do, understand, well, I was having breakfast. So right now I think I should just play GTA. Right here. Yep. Yeah, so GTA, as we wait for gold to play out. I will be back. I've always wanted to be a farmer. I know it sounds crazy, but I fell in love with nature, because somehow nature is always therapeutic. You understand? So I have a couple birds. If you watch my previous video back in I believe 2023, I had some birds, but I'm talking about the chicken. But yeah, they got sick. I lost a couple of them. You understand? So I just decided to start over again. That is after I moved away from the previous place that I was staying. Yeah, and decided to start again. So right now it's feeding time, and as we wait for our trade to play out, and here they are. Hello, hello, birdies. Hi. Yeah, so time to feed. Very well, I'm done. So I'll just let them do their thing, time to eat. Let them eat, yeah. And just look at these, the greens. Yes. Yep. So yeah, I've always wanted to stay in a place where I don't have any neighbors, somewhere right in the middle of the forest. Like I told you guys, I fell in love with nature. So, staying in the middle of nowhere, that is the middle of the wood, the forest, will be a great deal for me. Yep. Never like neighbors. So I prefer to stay alone. So just look at this. Yes. No neighbors though. We're surrounded. Yeah, let me just play with this ISO for you guys to see. Yeah. So right there, you see, right there, no neighbors, baby, right there. Yep. So that's it. Right. So I think I should get back in the house and do nothing. Yeah, I bet I'm just going to continue play with GTA. That is, play GTA as we wait for GTA 6, and also as we wait for our goldfishes to play out. Today is Friday, guys, and my hope is at least she closed in a profit, not in a drawdown, because when the day ends, definitely if I'm in a drawdown, I'm just going to close that trade at a loss. Better close it in a profit, but not at a loss. Right? Correct. So right now, let's just get back to my office. Let's go. Yep. And back in the office. So let's just see what our trade is doing. But I believe you're still in drawdown, or she ain't doing nothing. I don't know why she's slow, man. Whoop. $3 profit. What's wrong with you, gold? $3 loss, $3 profit, $3 loss, $6, $7. But anyway, can't do nothing. Me can't do nothing. So yeah, let's just play GTA now. Yeah. Alright guys, so it's time for lunch, and I'm having some greens, small fish. I don't know how they call them in English. Lico fish. Yeah, I like them crunchy. You understand? Good. Chef. If you've been watching McQueen's, right now he will be like, oh wow. Crazy, yeah. So, with cold water right here. Right now, we're floating $54. I believe some minutes ago I was up like $90, $96. No, can't do nothing. You understand? So I'll have my lunch real quick. Then continue playing GTA. I don't know. Should I play Last of Us or GTA? But let's see. Oh wow. See you on the other side. And we're back, guys. So right now I think better close this position. It's around 8:30 p.m. I know I say that I was to close at around 11, but the gold has been doing nothing, consolidating. So right now I'm up $128. Some hours ago I was up $200. So I think it's high time I close this trade. I bet you guys can see that. So this is how I close. Boom. Better close. Come on, that was 130. Now I think I'll close at 119, which is crazy. Yeah. So that's it. But then on the CFD, I think I'm still holding my position. You understand? I'm just going to see. Let's see. Where is the today's trade? All right here. Yo, that was 130, but then I closed at $115. This is $100,000 account on futures for the next. Yep. So that's it, baby. The day has been crazy, boring, but yeah. So see you next week, guys. Crazy day.